the cloud. It's not just raining ones and zeros. Today, we're diving into the world of cloud computing. Now, before you click away thinking it's boring, trust me, it's way more exciting than it sounds. We're talking potentially huge cost savings, the power to scale your business like crazy, and yes, even the occasional dumpster fire if you're not careful. So what is the cloud really? In the simplest terms, it's like renting out computing power instead of owning it. Imagine Netflix, but instead of movies, it's servers, storage, and all sorts of cool tech stuff. No more dealing with bulky hardware, constant upgrades, or the fear of your server turning into a space heater. We've all been there. So, you're telling me the cloud is magic? Well, not exactly magic, but it can feel like it. One of the biggest benefits of the cloud is cost effectiveness. You only pay for what you use. Need more power for a month because you're launching a new product? No problem, the cloud scales with you. Think of it like your electricity bill. Use more, use less, pay less. But it's not just about saving money. The cloud offers increased flexibility and agility. You can access your data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection. It's like having your office in your pocket, except without the awkward water cooler conversations. Hold on. Did someone say free money? Not so fast. While the cloud offers incredible potential for cost savings, it also comes with its own set of traps. One of the biggest risks is the potential for unexpected costs if you're not careful. Remember how we talked about paying only for what you use? Well, if you leave your virtual servers running 24/7, even when you don't need them, you might end up with a bill that'll make you cry. It's like leaving your lights on all day and night. Sure, it's convenient, but your wallet won't be too happy. Cloud providers offer tools and dashboards to monitor your usage, but it's ultimately your responsibility to keep an eye on things and optimize your spending. Sharing is caring, right? The cloud says not always. Now let's talk about security. When you move your data and applications to the cloud, you're essentially entrusting them to someone else. But don't worry, it's not like giving your house keys to a stranger. This is where the shared responsibility model comes in. Think of it as a partnership. The cloud provider is responsible for securing the underlying infrastructure like the physical servers and data centers. You, on the other hand, are responsible for securing your data and applications that reside in the cloud. This includes things like access control, encryption, and network security. Fear not, your IT skills aren't going extinct yet. So you might be thinking, Linus, are you telling me that IT professionals are going to be out of a job because of the cloud? Absolutely not. In fact, the cloud has created a whole new world of opportunities for techies. While some traditional IT roles might evolve, the need for skills like security, networking, and systems administration is more critical than ever. The cloud hasn't replaced IT professionals, it's just changed the game. Instead of spending hours racking and stacking servers, sounds like a bad workout, right? IT teams can now focus on more strategic initiatives like automation, optimization, and innovation. Microservices. Serverless. Is this English? Speaking of innovation, the cloud has paved the way for new approaches to software development and deployment, like microservices and serverless computing. Don't worry, I'll spare you the technical jargon, mostly. Think of microservices like building blocks. Instead of creating one giant application, you break it down into smaller, independent services that can be developed and deployed separately. This makes your applications more flexible, scalable, and easier to manage. Serverless computing, on the other hand, is like having a personal chef for your code. You don't have to worry about managing servers or infrastructure, you just write your code, and the cloud provider takes care of the rest. It's like magic, but with less smoke and mirrors, and hopefully no accidental fires. Cloud Nirvana, dream big, but tread carefully. So, there you have it, folks. The cloud is an incredibly powerful tool that can transform your business. It offers numerous benefits, from cost savings and increased agility, to enhanced security and innovation. But like any powerful tool, it's important to use it wisely. Understand the shared responsibility model, monitor your spending, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Remember, the cloud is a journey, not a destination. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some cloud instances to turn off before I get another heart attack from my bill. Catch you later.